Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your door handle. These, I don't know, for these Sentras and Altima, they have the smart key like this. It's always messed up, so I'm going to show you how to change it. It looked like somebody tried to go in there and break it off, so I have to change on the inside too. But if you want to change just the handle, you can follow the video and skip out the part that don't concern your car. Alright, so get the door open first. Alright, you come right here, take this off right here with a flathead screwdriver or clip puller. In there is supposed to be a screw. What you would do, you'd unscrew the screw that's going there and take this out, but somebody already been in this, so that's why this come out that easy. So yeah, and you pull back on this like this and pull it out like this, but you're gonna need to take off the inside piece to get to the wires. All right, so let's get to it. So inside the door, this is what hold the handle on the inside of the door, and this is the screw you would look for in here, which is missing from that one because somebody been in this car already. So let's do it. And this would be your handle right here. So I'm gonna put it together outside just to give you a sense of what you're working with. Alright, so you gotta run these through here. So if your car doesn't come with the smart key access, you'll be alright. You don't need to run anything. Alright, so get this in here like that. As you can see, push, bring it forward, and that hook into there. Alright, and then you could pull on it and you'll see it move like that. So that's all we're gonna need to set it up inside. Basically this is how it look. And so I'm gonna get something to hold the phone. Alright, so I'm back now guys. So this would go in here like this, like that. So that's how it goes. Put that down, bring it forward, bring it out like this, and alright, it would go in like this, and you would screw the screw in here to hold that. Alright, so basically this is how you want it to look inside the door. And when you're taking off, when you're going to change, if your car is not a don't have the intelligent key, you're just gonna unscrew this right here, which is going to be right here on the door that I showed you earlier. So when you unscrew this, right here, you're going to pull the handle like this, and then you're going to take this out. Alright, I think the screw is holding it, so perfect example. You're going to take it out like that, then you're going to release that, then you're going to slide it back like this, you see, and then you come out like this and you take that out. And because here won't be the intelligent key, you just put your new handle in there, but because this has the intelligent key, you're gonna have to take off the inside of the door panel. Alright, so to remove the inside panel, what you got to do is you need to get yourself a flathead screwdriver. Alright guys, so flathead screwdriver or your clip puller, you get in here, got a flathead screwdriver, push this down soft like that. want to come here, squeeze this right here, unplug that, squeeze this right here, and unplug that also. Flathead screwdriver again. Want to come up in here. Oh, that looked like it's a solid piece, so let's see what we need to do right here. Alright, so we're gonna leave that. We're gonna take this out right here. Search the door. So we're gonna take this out right here, and then we'll go from there. And that's gonna be a 10mm. You want to rub your finger around here and feel somewhere to hold, and you want to pull back on it like that. Alright, so you want to also remove this right here. Like the screwdriver. All so I got it all free, but there's something holding it right here, so I'm going to remove this bezel right here. Alright, flathead screwdriver will do the trick. It was only this one screw right here, and this you want to do with the window up. Let me see, because I got to bring back the window up to see if I have enough space to work here. Alright guys, so it turned out to open. You can unplug this right here. Yeah, so these are what I was trying to show you guys. You can unplug it right here. So you're gonna squeeze here, unplug it. You're gonna do the same thing for right here. You're gonna squeeze this right here and unplug that. Alright. So, and these clips, you need to remove this clip also. So now you can take out the handle all the way. Alright, so it's turning out something is holding it. Oh, so I need to remove this clip right here. Alright, squeeze both of those things in and it will come out. Alright, so I can get a needle nose or birdie pliers, whichever one you call it. Just Squeeze it in like that. And now you can take out the handle. Alright guys, so the handle is out. Now it's time to take out this piece right here. So I have a few more of these that I need to squeeze in and take them out. Alright, so let's do that. Right here, pull this like this, right here. So this the whole one. Get the new one. Get the new one. You need to put the ball right here and back it back in place like that. So when you connect the cable, that's how it should look. All right. Time to put it back up here. So now I have it in. You see these little hook thing right here? Just let they lock on. So you're gonna put it in and push it forward so they can catch, and that will hold that into place. All right. You want to get your new handle and run your wires through the hole and put this through. Put it in like this. But before you do that, you want to put your you have some weather seal there that you need to put. So here you go. Alright, so this is one. That one right here. And this kind of help hold it too. Alright. Because I just noticed it have some lip on the back that help hold it from sliding back. Put that one right there and put that one right there. As you can see, this is a new one. You see how these two things right here? So you have these two lube right here, two knob or studs that go right here, so it help to hold it. So that's very important right here. All right. Now it's time to get the run it through. So just set this back right here. So that's it. Going to do down here like that. Push it all the way in, where you can bring it forward. Alright. Alright. I need my tool hand for that. let's see. I got it in. And when you finish, it should be all flush to the door. And next thing next, you get this. Alright. Up in there, you want to get this right here and connect this to the piece back there that we just put in. Alright. I got it in. I can take it back out just to show you what it looked like. Alright. That's what it should look like. Alright, now I can tighten that up. Before I do so, I'm gonna run the wire back the same way I took these off. Alright, so let me try to get some light up in there. Alright, so this wire right here, you want to run it at around the top and run it down here like that. Alright, so find these plugs and you can run these, put this back right here, you can lock this back into place right here. And then you can snap this right here. So I need to remove this old piece from here. Slide it back into this clip right here. Like that. Alright. Then I can put this back at the top right here. Right there. And I can put this back right here. And that's good. Make sure nothing gonna get hooked. So this should be behind the wire. So I'm gonna put that behind the wire. Alright guys, so you need to tighten this up right here. I'm just gonna tighten the this right here. Alright, and now you can see we almost finished at this point. Double check your work before you close the gasket. You see I put this back, I put this behind here, so that's good, so the window doesn't come and interfere with this. Alright, and all the wires are in place and they are all plugged in, so that's good so far. So let's go ahead and put back this piece like this. Go ahead and unplug this window switch again, because I plugged the window switch to bring the window up, so you need the window up to do this job. All right, I already show you how to do that, so let me board you with that. So now it's time to put on your door panel. You want to run your wire for your plug right here, for your switch right here. off the clips and the holes. Here's more top like that. That's good so far. Get your 10mm or Phillips screw. This right here. Snap that into place. If you want to get this for here. Place and you want to get your window switch and plug that in. Alright guys, so switch, plug in. Alright guys, as you can see, everything works now. Everything all work. Alright, thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. You can leave a donation if you want. So this car is a 2017 Sentra with the intelligent key. So if you have a Sentra and your key look like this, then you and your handle look like this, then you know how to change your door handle. Alright, that work. Alright, so everything worked guys. Thank you for your love and support. Peace out. See you next time. Thumbs up.